Allie recently attended a trade show where she received a large list of prospects. She is going to use Copilot in Excel to research her data and identify her target list. First, she's going to ask Copilot how many rows of data are in her spreadsheet. Copilot identifies a very large list of prospects, so Allie's going to ask which state appears most frequently in the spreadsheet to help identify her target market. Copilot notes that California is the most frequently occurring state, which is going to be Allie's target. Next, she's going to ask about the percentage distribution of industries in her target market. Copilot provides a breakdown of industries that are appearing in her prospect list within the state of California. Copilot helps Allie identify that major banks are a common industry in her list in California. She asks Copilot to filter her list by state and by industry. Now that Copilot put these filters in place, Allie is ready to continue her research with her targeted list of prospects.